Hey guys, it's Justin back with our Jeep Wrangler project, and you've probably already seen part 1 of our lighting upgrade, where we went ahead and threw in some Morimoto headlights and a set of Oracle taillights in our Jeep. Well, we're back at it again, but this time it's all about accessory lighting, because you can never have enough light when off-roading. We've partnered up with some folks in the industry like Oracle, AV, Optima, Rigid, and Garmin to really show off the aftermarket lighting you can bring to your very own Jeep. So let's get this stuff installed and we'll show you some of the highlights along the way. First, we started off by installing a set of Sidetrack lights from Oracle. Not only are these courtesy lights so you can see what you're getting out into, but they also double as a turn signal as well. Then it's all about seeing where we're going with a set of AEV 7000 series lights. The AEV 7-inch hybrid pattern lights will light up the way for our Jeep, leaving nothing to mystery on the trail ahead of us. But sometimes you need to see behind you as well, so for that we're using a set of Summit Racing LED cubes, one in the bumper and one on top of our spare tire rack. After that, we installed a set of rock lights from Summit Racing as well to help provide wheel well light and underlighting for the Jeep so we could see obstacles at night. And to tie all these lights together, we used one of my favorite products, the Garmin PowerSwitch. It's a slick little device that not only feeds power to the lights, but allows you to control them through an app on your cell phone or a Garmin GPS device. While we're at it, we also went ahead and ditched the stock Jeep battery and replaced it with the Optima Yellow Top Deep Cycle starting battery. Now our Jeep is ready to see ahead, behind, and everywhere in between, leaving no trail unlit. And the best part of this is you can do this right at home. So the only question is, what's stopping you from lighting up your trail? I'm Justin with Summit Racing. Thanks for watching.